Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Aaron with U-Haul. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Kia Sorento, you have to have trailer wiring installed. It's required by the law. Now, it can be a little tricky on choosing the correct wiring kit for your vehicle, as some Sorentos already have a factory tow package on it. So let's show you where you can find that so you can properly choose the correct wiring kit for your vehicle. So let's start by showing you where you can find your factory tow harness on your Kia Sorento. Now on your driver's side, right behind the wheel well, you'll find two plugs located right here. These are pre-wired for your trailer towing needs. Now you may have a panel that you'll need to remove right here, but once you remove that, it will be very obvious that you'll see those two plugs. Now if you do have those two plugs, all you have to do is select the factory tow package kit that will just plug into there so you can have your wiring ready to go. Now if you don't have those two plugs for your factory tow harness, you'll need to have a quick connect kit. Now a quick connect kit comes with two T connectors that just plug into both of your taillights to give you your lighting functions for your trailer wiring. And then it also has a converter box on it that will help convert your taillight system into the simple 4-flat trailer wiring. Now to do that, you'll need to run a power wire from it and connect it to your battery to properly function. Now these kits come with all the parts necessary to install on your vehicle. You'll just need the tools to be able to do it. Now if you have any questions about these kits or selecting the right wiring for your Kia Sorento, you can consult with your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.